Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the power path because most failures are power-related. Unplug the Mini, inspect the USB cable and adapter, and try a known good outlet. This rules out flaky power. Once done, plug it back in and watch the LED. A pulsing white means booting, no light suggests power fault. If it boots, open the Google Home app and check device status. If not, proceed to the next hardware and network checks without delay. You now focus on network and app interactions because the Mini depends on stable Wi-Fi and account linkage. In the Google Home app, select the device, then remove or forget it if it won't respond. This clears stale settings. Make sure your phone and Mini are on the same 4 GHz or compatible band, and reboot your router to refresh DHCP leases. Once done, try setting up the Mini again. The app will push firmware and confirms you perform a factory reset as a last resort to clear persistent firmware or configuration issues. Hold the reset button for roughly 10 seconds until you hear a chime, then follow the app to set up anew. After setup, verify voice responses, adjust volume, and cast audio to confirm core features. If things still fail, swap in a different USB adapter and cable to definitively rule out power, because intermittent voltage can mimic hardware faults. If issues continue, note symptoms and contact official support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.